How to fix Voicemod app not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is tap on Play Store and check for any updates available for the Voicemod application on your device. So as you can see, it is updated to its latest version on our device. So I'm going to go back and then tap on the application and it will lead us to the app info. Now here you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on clear data, then clear cache. And if it's possible, you can tap on clear all data and delete all data as well. After that, check on the app permissions. Make sure that you have toggled on the required options such as your camera and your microphone as well. Now go back and try to open up the Voicemod app and the error must be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.